The question asks us what are the two types of movement that can take place at the hinge joints, and give an example in sport or physical activity for each of these types of joints. There's 2 marks available for this, so we need to be quite careful about how we go about answering this. First of all, we're going to identify the 2 types of movement available. They are extension and flexion at the hinge joints. And remember, your hinge joints are your elbow and your knee. The next thing we have to do is give an example of flexion and extension at both of these types of joints. All right, so example would be throwing a ball. When we throw a ball, we flex at the elbow when we prepare to throw the ball, and then when we release the ball, we carry on with that action, we extend the elbow. Just a reminder that extension means making the angle of the joint bigger, flexion means making the angle of the joint smaller. So a throwing action, both the preparation phase and the release phase, would be an example of flexion and extension at the elbow. Similarly, when we prepare to kick a ball in football, we pull our lower leg back. That is flexion at the knee. We're making the angle of the knee joint smaller. And then when we go to strike the ball, we make contact with the ball, we extend that knee joint, we make that angle bigger, and that would be an example of extension at the knee.